So you graduated with a computer science degree? Congrats. You now officially know how to reverse a linked list and absolutely nothing about how to make money. Everyone told you tech was booming, that you would walk out of college and straight into a six-figure job. Yeah, sure. Right after the 500 other grads applying for the same entry-level role that needs 5 years of experience in 12 frameworks nobody uses anymore. Here's the truth. Being a computer science grad doesn't automatically make you rich. It just gives you the potential to build things that make money. What you do with that potential, that's on you. Let's start with the obvious one. Get a job. Sounds simple, right? Until you realize most junior developer roles expect you to be a senior with PTSD. You'll spend months tweaking your resume, building projects, solving lead code problems that no one in the real world has ever asked in an interview. And if you're lucky, you'll get paid just enough to afford caffeine and rent. But hey, there's another route, freelancing. You make your own ass, pick your clients and charge what you're worth. Except at the beginning you're charging $5 to fix broken WordPress plugins for people who ghost you halfway through the project. Then there's building your own project. Everyone loves this idea. Just launch a startup. Yeah, sure. You'll build a product that solves a problem nobody has. Run it on free tier servers and realize that making something is easy. Getting people to pay for it is the real boss level. If you really want to make money as a computer science graduate, you need to think like a business person who can code, not a coder who is waiting for a business person. That might mean making tools, building niche apps, starting a YouTube channel or teaching online. Half the devs making money right now aren't working for big companies. They are selling courses, building SaaS products, running newsletters, or freelancing across the 3 time zones. Because here's the thing nobody tells you in college. Your degree is proof you can learn. It's not proof anyone should pay you. The money starts coming when you stop treating your skills like homework and start treating them like a product. So build stuff people need, solve real problems, be the person who delivers results, not the one who keeps updating their LinkedIn bio. And if you're still waiting for the perfect opportunity, it doesn't exist. The people making money in tech didn't find it. They built it.